Hi guys, we're back with another
I have to go
video,
flush the
and
toilet. Hold on.
I have to be quiet.
Don't.
Wait,
Sometimes
join
it's your money. Sometimes it's your money.
Right. And it's actually my first video making about Animal Company. Anyways, I can't be too loud because I have to go to bed at 12. So let's finish this video quick. Okay. See what I got. Alright. I actually got a lightsaber, a blade. I still think this is like a blade ball. Why are we playing blade ball in the Animal Company right now?
But spell cute. Spell cute. What? Cute.
I'm fighting these guys.
C-U. Forgot. Spell. Wait. I think I remember. Okay. C.
Come to Captain if you want one teacher's point.
Wait, it's Y-U. It's Y-O-U.
You want a research point?
Cute. Wait, what's the word? Okay. What's the word? Cute.
Alright, now press the green thing. Join.
Press the green
thing. Friend.
T-E. C-U.
Press
No. It's Y-O-U.
Now put I want hook shot.
Hey, who wants to get more of these
But I want hook
VHS
shot.
tapes?
That's so. Bro! Dude, that was so sick.
Who has
Guys in the forest. Everyone, we're trying to survive 99 nights in the forest. Come with me.
Yo. I'm green suit. Black. Do you have modded access?
Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade? Who wants to... Me. Do you have modded access?
Wait, which one do you need? Yellow.
I don't need any.
Go on me.
No adding.
Come over here if you need more VHS tapes. Do you need more VHS tapes? Alright, come over here. Come.
What the heck are these?
Can you tell me?
Don't worry, guys. I'm here.
Alright, let's get to mine.
Did you not hear those booms? You have a mic or no? Alright, can you tell me, bro, which ones you need?
3? Okay. Make sure you're listening.
Susan Brain.
Hear that?
Okay,
Everyone, go to
bring
stage
out
5.
the trash stuff. Let's go.
What's the next one?
Everyone, come to the orange bat.
What the heck is that? Bro, it's so scary when it's night. Alright. But I'm like not that scared. Little kids are playing. Like
I'm gonna touch you.
so late, bro.
Oh, no.
No, I had the but I think I already have my gold. No.
I can't let them get this.
That's not nice.
Ooh.
That's not nice. You hit. Everyone come to the orange bat if you want to join my code for mining it.
Alright, I'm gonna go sell this.
I did not want to come here, but I guess I did.
Red, come here.
Sorry for cutting you.
My name is Nick.
Stop it. 3.
Who told me to be here?
Good amount of money.
Wait, you're X
Here, I don't know who it was, but...
Yeah.
Can it be a broomstick?
I don't remember this thing.
Hey, bro. Hello?
Banana.
Black.
Dandy, I'm
Can
gonna
you
send
kill me 3 times with
Dandy.
these?
Okay.
Okay, can you kill me 1 time with this?
No. Banana, can you kill me with this once?
Join me on the friends list, bro.
Okay, I got you. Can you kill me with this once?
Why?
It's for a challenge.
It's called
Time,
Revenge
so-
and Spike.
Does anybody red watch?
Okay. One.
Someone teach me
Yo,
how to play with this
Sign, can you shoot me with that loaded one?
Standing in place, or is he like literally? Yep.
Can you teach me how to play this game, please?
Twice.
Oh yeah, I can.
Alright.
Wait, do you have money?
Damn.
Yet?
Stop,
Like,
I know
do you
killing.
have over here?
Hey,
well-
purple. Can you shoot
Dude,
me
it
with
was gonna
this?
be a lot shorter.
Outside safe zone.
Why?
Just trust me.
Wait, is it the trigger button like in the shooting game?
Kicking with top.
I'm trying to think that I can't make a Discord server.
Nice.
Why do you want to die so bad?
Wait, can we do private code challenges?
Anyways, let's get back.
Alright, anyways.
Woo.
What did he say at the computer again?
Alright. That's it for the video. Subscribe.
I was saying, like, do you have
Don't worry.
any money?
Hello
there, sir. Do you got any
I will make
bananas?
another video
Yes.
tomorrow.
Alright,
And it will be so long.
Alright.
Hey, banana.
Not that long,
Mr. Banana.
Wait, can you do
but
it in
longer.
private code like the other guy
Working
said?
on it.
I heard him say that. How do you do that?
Anyways, subscribe,
Julio.
like,